Hi, for those of you guys that don't know me, it's Rhonda Brozowicz here, and I just wanted to come on here really quick. This is going to be a quick video and show you something I do every day on social media to build my know, like, and trust factor, but this is a huge time saver. As we know, when you're trying to build an online business, you need to build up your know, like, and trust factor, build relationships with people, right? But it can be huge time suck, right? It can take so much time to do all those things. So I found a tool that does some cool things. It is easy, super simple to use, and one of the easiest things to do to help build relationships with people is to wish them happy birthday on their birthday, right? But some days I'll literally have 20 birthdays. By the time I go through individually and wish everybody a happy birthday, that in itself takes a lot of time. So without further ado, I am just going to show you one little thing that this tool can do. And the best part about it is a one-time only fee, and there is no monthly fee. So it's very easy to use, and it's also very economical compared to the things I've seen out there. So here we go. So since this is a Google extension, all I do is click on the little icon up here that I have saved. It takes me into my dashboard. I scroll down every day. I go to birthday greeter. I have some messages saved in here. I click on wish them. Now it's going to come up and you're going to see random messages. Boom, boom, all done, all sent. I wrote on their timelines. That is how quick and easy it is.